Ich will Manager werden. Kareri ist für mich wichtig. Hallo Leute, habt ihr schon Pläne für die Zukunft? Was wollt ihr werden? Ich will Tierärztin werden. Ich liebe Tiere. Ich lese gern. Ich schreibe gern. Mein Traumberuf ist Schriftstellerin. Ich will Polizist werden. Ich will Verbrecher verhaften. Yeah, now let's see the meanings. Ich will Managerial werden. Kanari ist für mich richtig. What is werden here and which tense are we talking about?
This is future tense.
This is future tense and werden means will. Yeah. So hallo Leute means hello guys. What are your plans? Or this is shown, which is without umlautas. So do you have you planned anything already for your future? Zukunft is your future. And it is also can be a tense also. Zukunft. Yeah, Zukunft is also a tense also. So was all fear burden? What you want to become? What do you want to become? Now maintain a vocabulary page, which I was saying, and a verb page. The vocabulary page you're learning here is loiter, shown, and planner. Loiter is people, shown is already, and planner is planned. Zukunft is again your vocabulary, which is your future, and werden here means this is a verb which means will, which comes under your modal verb to become. Yes. Now ich will managerial werden. I want to become a manager. Career is very important for me. Wichtig is important. Career is very important for me. Now this person says, ich lese gern, schreibe gern. So I like reading, I like writing. My dream job is to become a writer. Now what is Traumberuf? Traumberuf is dream job.
Dream job.
Dream job is to become a writer. Ich will Tierärztin werden. I will become a doctor for what's doctor?
Veterinary doctor.
Veterinary doctor. Yes, absolutely correct, because Tiera is house pets. Sehr gut. Gut gemacht. Ich liebe Tiere. I love animals. Or I love house pets. So I will become a police or a cop. I will become a police officer. I want to Verbrecher. Verbrecher is a verb and verhaten is also a verb. Now what is Verbrecher? Is to arrest. Which is basically a crime. Verhaten is to arrest and Verbrecher is a crime, which becomes here is a criminal. I would like to arrest criminals, all the people who doing crime, criminals. Verhaten is to arrest.
Okay.
Now here are some pictures. Welche Beruf ist das? Ordinanzu. So whenever it is written Ordinanzu, it means like you need to arrange it in a proper order. Ordinanzu. So what profession is this? What job is this? So these are the all pictures, the 1 till 15. So maybe you are aware of few of them, or you are aware of all of them. So please read from A till E.
Frisho in Polizei, Programmierer, Model, Gardener.
So Freizuren means basically
hairdresser.
Yes, hairdresser. Polizist is police officer.
Yes.
Programmer is programmer. Model is model. Again, gardener is gardener. Lehrerin, Mechaniker,
Ler-
Fußballspieler, Managerinnen, Koch, Artsen, Baum, Engineer, Krankenpfleger, Musikerin, and Flugbegleiter. So yes, are you aware of this?
Flugzeugleiter means flying pilot. Is it pilot?
Okay,
Last
the
one.
person,
Oh,
no, not the pilot, which is pilot, but yes, air attendant kind of.
okay. Means C is a 6. Is it match with 6? Means air hostess.
Okay, yes, we can.
Then Kranken.
Is
Kranken
like assisting nurse, the nurse who's assisting.
sisters. Okay.
Fifth one,
Okay. 5. Then Bowen engineer.
civil engineer.
Okay.
This
Fine.
is suiting to fifth or eighth. Civil engineer.
Mhm. Fine.
Boyne engineer is suiting to eighth. Then Artsen,
Doctor.
doctor,
12.
12th. Cock,
Cock. Will be the last one. Last one. What he is doing?
what is
Ma'am,
cooking? Oh,
50.
the first one, first one.
Okay, first one. Yeah, safe. Huh? Okay.
A
Okay.
cook.
Hmm. Manager in. I think it is 10.
Okay,
Then football spieler. It is 13.
great.
Mechaniker. It is mechanical. I think 15.
Good.
Layer in. It is 32.
Number 2.
And Gartner. It is 50. Sorry, no, 9.
Mhm.
Motel. Motel will be 9 only. 3 or
11.
7. Yes, 11. Then programmer. 10. Police guy. It is 4. And Frisiorine is 7.
Yes, great. Correct. Then here there is a grammatic. Their letter, their letterin. This is the
Masculine. This is
masculine
feminine.
and this is feminine. Their musiker, die Musikerin. Their cock, die Kochin. So I'll give you the proper PDFs for this. So this is the grammatic for only 3 persons. Ich werde, du wirst, sie wird, ihr werdet, wir werden, sie werden. So after I take ihr, so it is easy to learn.
Okay.
Because the last twos are also always same. Yeah, wir and sie, werden, werden. So what is ich werde? Ich werde is I will.
I will.
Do is you will. He, she, it. He will, she will, and it will. And here is, what is here?
Here is your
You
they.
for plural.
Here is they.
You.
Okay, where is they? Huh? Yeah.
Here is we will, And ZZ is you and they. You and they.
They will be C. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So she will, you will, and they will. Yeah.
Mm.
Now here some expression is there. Was wills do werden. Now you complete this statement. Also,
Ich
you can
will.
speak you can speak your opinion also.
Yeah. Ich will. Arbeiten. Ich will arbeit. And ich will arbeit. This is not grammar. I mean, Bob. Is arbeit in. Ich will arbeit in pharma firm. Bed.
Okay, so what do you want to say? You want to work in a pharmaceutical company?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you aware of all the word sharps here? Was gehört zusammen? So you need to match it all together. So what is the, first of all, tell me what is the meaning of were?
Where means who?
Who?
Yeah.
And wo?
Wo is where?
And was?
Where? Sorry, what?
What? Now arts is arts. Where does art works? Krankenhaus, which is hospital.
Krankenhaus.
And what does he do? Does Patienten untersuchen. So what is, okay, write down this as your verb. Patienten untersuchen is he need to look after the patient. He need to examine the patient.
Yeah.
Then boy engineer, what does he work? Where does he work?
He work with
Schuler,
Baustiller.
Okay, he works in a construction site. And what does he do?
Baustiller is construction site.
Baustiller is construction site. Yeah.
Taylor. Okay. Then
Build houses. This is Hauser und Brucker bauen is build houses and bridges. Build houses and bridges. So you can note down is Hauser und Brucken und bauen. So bridges. Brucken bauen is bridges.
Okay.
Then cook is cook.
Coco will go for the restaurant.
Das restaurant.
Then for Gerista zu
Gerista zu Britain. That is preparing dishes. Gerista zu Britain. So did you guess or are you aware of the meaning?
Gerista I know. Zu Britain I didn't know.
Yeah.
Gerista I know.
So it's good. So it's Gerista is preparing the dishes. Now next is Lehrerin.
Lehrerin will be the Schüler. The
Teacher, wo?
Unterrichten.
Unterricht?
Unterrichten, huh? No?
Workshop. Work start. Because we can't take company, plane, hospital, restaurant, construction site. Okay, Schule is there, na? Schule.
Schule, I told Schule. In third one, it should be Unterrichten.
Okay, Unterrichten. Okay, great. Unterrichten is your classes. The next?
Flugbegliterin. It will work with Flug only, Flugzeug. Then Flugzeug It will be with Fluggäste by Bedien. Dinen. Last one.
Fluggäste bedienen. Okay. The next.
Bedien.
So this is to serve the passengers. Serve the passengers. Next.
Gartner. Gartner will be their park. Then it will be Plazen and Bloomer Plagen.
Okay.
Mechaniker will be the work start and the work start. Then it will be
Was?
the work start. Autos reparian. Auto reparian.
Auto reparian.
Autos में auto होना चाहिए या autos होना चाहिए?
Autos. Umlautas are missing now.
Sorry?
Autos reparian.
या auto S क्यों होना चाहिए?
So because this is a plural, na? Plural of auto is autos.
Sorry. Then, okay.
Because there is no umlauta here. Next.
Managerial. Then the firma. PR Aktiviteten Planen.
So PR Aktivitaten planner. So this is like PR activity planning. Yeah.
Aktivitaten Planen.
Activities.
Okay,
great. So I hope you can memorize them all, and also now we can easily frame a sentence. Yeah. Like for suppose, like if you have to say, I am a doctor, I work at Krankenhaus and my job is to do this. Can you speak a sentence on this?
Yeah.
Only one.
Ich bin Arzt. Ich arbeite ich arbeite
in Krankenhaus.
In Krankenhaus. Ich untersuche Patienten.
Okay. So what you can say, na, ich bin Arzt von Beruf. I'm an arts by profession.
Yeah, that also.
Yes. Now if you are on your commonly asked question page, write down the question for today is, was ist dein Baumingenieur? Ein Baumingenieur ist ein Mann, Komma, we are putting comma, der auf der Baustelle arbeitet und der Häuser und Brücken baut. So what does it mean? So this means
I mean who take care of the,
what is a building engineer and a building engineer or a civil engineer? A civil engineer is there ein man, is a man who works on a construction site and build the houses and the bridges. Okay, now just understand here the first part of the sentence, then after second is the second part of the sentence, and then we put on. So what are we learning here? The first part of the sentence is called Hauptsatz, which is before comma. Hauptsatz. After comma, the second part of the sentence is called Nebensatz. And also, we are putting a conjunction which is und. Yeah. Then we are speaking the remaining sentence.
Yeah.
The next is, wie ist eine Lehrerin? Eine Lehrerin ist eine Frau, comma, die an der Schule unterrichtet. What does this mean, Rosalind?
Who teaches in the school?
Yes. Yes. Now you can easily frame a sentence in your mind. Yeah.
Mm.
Now next is, wie findest du Arbeit als bildet Dialog sprechen? So what you have to do is, wie findest du Arbeit al Arts? Can you complete? We just
Who
practice
find
it.
how you find the Arbeit als okay. As Doctor, die Arbeit als Doktor finden ist sehr interessant. Und what is my opinion? How is the okay? This one I can means I'll write down.
You will write down. Okay, no problem. If you have time.
No, just asking means I don't know what you means how.
Okay, this is session. We are doing session practice.
Okay.
So see, it is written, wie findest du Arbeit als? How do you find the work as? So they are asking for the doctors. What do you think to work as a doctor? So it is written, die Arbeit als Arzt finde ich sehr interessant und meinst du, wie ist die Arbeit als? So I find work as a doctor very interesting. Und
Yeah.
was means do? Was means do is
How?
what do you mean?
What is your opinion?
And
what is your opinion?
And how is it to work as? Now you can complete.
Die Arbeit als Arzt, it's I have to find that adjective.
Okay, you can use the vocabulary.
Means I need to find some adjective for the doctor. Means arts.
Okay, shall I give you hint in English?
Yes, ma'am.
I love helping people. And I love my job. Like for example, in this sentence, suppose you are a doctor and you are saying, I love helping people and I love my job. It is very interesting and hard working also. My job is very hard working.
Ich liebe die Leute helfen. Is it right?
I love helping people is ich liebe es Menschen zu helfen or ich liebe Leute zu helfen.
Ich liebe Leute zu helfen, yes. To help. Yes, ma'am. Ich liebe Leute zu helfen.
I love my job is ich liebe meine Arbeit.
Ich liebe, I am hardworking.
My work is very, okay, I am hardworking. Okay, what is hardworking?
No, I don't know. Schwer.
Ich arbeite hart. Ich arbeite hart. H-A-R-T, hard. Okay. But if you take it as a adjective, na, then also it's hart arbeiten or fleißig. Ich bin so fleißig.
Yes.
So fleißig.
Fleißig. I was remembering that one. Fleißig.
And even if you ask for the opinions for doctors, some doctors will say, my job is very stressful, but we love our job. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Serious.
Now please click a picture of this particular one, so that here are few more professions written and few more adjectives written. So this will help you in your written part. This box.
1 minute, ma'am. I have. Ma'am, will you share this one with me or?
So Rosaline, everything will be shared to you. in a proper
Okay, ma'am.
process, but particularly
Yeah.
House of Gabazna, which we will discuss in the next class. So that particular you can click picture.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. Ma'am, another one thing, you'll be teaching from this book only.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
You'll be teaching from this book only.
I didn't get you.
Means you will be teaching from this book only. This is not net foresight.
Okay, then I'll take network in tomorrow's class.
Okay, fine. Means just I'm asking, means I don't know what is the way of your,
Okay, we have all
because
the
ma'am.
books.
Hmm.
So we can conduct our B1 from this book also, from network also, and from other books also. Like I find grammar better in other books. So let me show you.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Means as for you, means what you are teaching, it is okay. But just asking because I want to give means Gotha exam after this one.
Yeah. So not to worry, everything will be shared to you.
No, ma'am. It's okay. Just asking. Means easily there is okay.